The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for Shelby County, southwestern Auglaize County, until 1:15 a.m. At 10:09 p.m., local law enforcement reported flooding is occurring in Auglaize and Shelby counties. Up to 3 inches of rain has already fallen. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flooding to continue to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sydney, Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, New Bremen, Minster, Newport, Enna, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Botkins, New Knoxville, Moulton, Fort Jefferson, Buckland, Kettlersville, Montra, Kossuth, Egypt, Lake Loramie State Park and Maplewood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.